In this lesson, students have been graphing functions in quadratic functions in standard form, and so I want them to see an application problem of when it's important to know the vertex. Maximum and minimum problems are perfect problems to show them with being able to find the vertex. It seems like jumping off a cliff and projectiles students are more confident with, and in this problem I actually give them the equation. I don't talk about how it's related to projectile motion, how the equation's set up, and I will do that later in this unit. But it says find the maximum height that Jerome reaches. It gave them the actual equation, and I'll talk about later what each parts of that equation mean in a different lesson of this unit. And so what's the maximum height? I asked them, well, what point are we actually trying to find to get his maximum height that he jumped, or that he reaches? And so that's actually the vertex. So how do you find, is this equation in standard form? We talk about, yes, standard form would be f of x equals, or y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And so to find the vertex, that maximum height that he jumped, the vertex formula is opposite of b divided by 2a, and f of opposite of b divided by 2 times a. Which just means plug in the x-coordinate, the answer you get for the x-coordinate, into the function to get your y-coordinate. So opposite of b, if you identify a is going to be negative 16, b is going to be 16. You actually don't need c in this case. C is 480, the height that the Jerome jumped off of. And so you have opposite of b would be negative 16. So for the x-coordinate of the vertex, it's going to be opposite of b would be negative 16 divided by 2 times negative 16 is going to be negative 16 divided by negative 32, and that's going to be positive 1/2. So 1/2 is going to be the x-coordinate of the vertex, and if you substitute that into the original function, f of x is going to equal, or y is going to equal, for the y-coordinate, negative 16 times 1/2 squared plus 16 times 1/2 plus 480 for the y-coordinate. And so you'd have, and the x-coordinate is representing seconds, so in 1/2 seconds is when he reaches his maximum height, and that makes sense because it's right after he jumps off the cliff. And then when you substitute that in for 1/2, then you get negative 16 times 1/4 plus 16 divided by 2 is going to be 8 plus 480. So that's going to be negative 16 divided by 4 is going to be negative 4, plus 8 is going to be 4, and then plus 480 is going to be 484 feet. Is going to be the maximum height that he reaches in 1/2 second.